Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the Android Studio's project panel. By default the project panel is expanded, but this can be collapsed by clicking the collapse button. In order to bring back the project panel, you can either click on it on the left frame or from the left bottom of the screen, click the icon that looks like a computer and then select project from the menu that appears. The project panel consists of many views. Most of the time, you will probably work in the Android or the project view. The project view contains the actual representation of your project files on the hard drive. You can see exactly where the project is located on your hard drive, and you have access to all the project files, like the source code files, the resources files, and the configuration files. Next is the packages view, which organizes the files by packages. Then there's the scratches view, followed by the Android view, probably the view that you will be using most of the time. The Android view organizes the files by type, like the manifest files, the Java source code files, the resources files, and so on. You also get access to the build files or Gradle files. Gradle is the build automation tool used by Android Studio. There are two main build configuration files, build.gradle for the project module and build.gradle for the application module. While the first one contains higher level instructions that we don't need to edit, the second one can be easily edited. This contains build instructions for Gradle, like the minimum and target SDK versions, the ProGuard configuration files, and so forth. Then there's the project files view. This looks like a combination between projects and the Android view. The problems view displays the errors that occur during the build process. The production view displays the application files that are going to be used when you release the production version of your application. And the test view, which displays information related to the Android test framework. As discussed earlier, most of the time you will be using either the project or the Android view. So this was a brief introduction to the project panel of Android Studio, which contains most important files of your project.